Think I've been here before. I know that I must have met you in a past life. Got my heart on the floor. Go slow. Keep me falling for you all night. Tell me now, you're the one I've been dreaming about for my whole life. Had you on my mind, oh. Hear the sound of your voice in the crowd, calling my name, yeah, you captivate, oh. You captivate me, baby. Cover me in a dream of love. You're pulling on my sanity, it does.
Good morning. Meron tayong dress up combined units 2 Studio A with 49.8 square meter floor area. So, ibig sabihin nito, yung dalawang studio unit kinombine para makabuo ng 1 bedroom unit. So, papasok tayo. So, dito makikita natin ang luwag, no, nung unit na to, kasi yung isang studio ginawa niya lang kitchen at living room. So ito ay dress up, so ibig sabihin nito ay nilagyan na ng mga accessories para mas maganda, pero yung deliverable ganun pa rin, tiles, sink, aircon, and yun lang. Pero ito na yung idea. Pag dinress up mo yung 2 bedroom units. So, idea ng kitchen. So, meron kang lower cabinet and upper cabinet. Okay. Tapos ref. Dito naman sa living room, nandiyan yung setup ng sala and yung mga books, TV, aircon. Tapos ang kagandahan dito sa combined units, dalawa rin yung balcony mo. Kung isa lang, studio ka lang, isa lang. Pero ito, combined units. So, dalawa. Okay. So, ang luwag. Maluwag siya. Very roomy. Okay. Ganda ng design ng tiles. Okay, pagpasok natin dito, andito yung bedroom, no? Bedroom. Kita mo, ganda rin yung design ng bedroom. Yan, bedroom. Okay. Idea lang ito. So, pwede mo pang pagandahin. Ngayon, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, meron tayong dalawang terrace, no? Isa sa bedroom, saka isa doon sa may living room. Okay? And dito naman sa banda dito, nandito yung idea ng walk-in closet. So puro sliding door yung walk-in closet natin. And dito naman, nandito yung ating CR. So makita natin dito sa CR ay tagusan ito. So, pagpasok mo dito, ito yung main door niya. So, main door ng CR, pagpasok mo nandiyan yung lavatory, toilet, yung shower room, which is dress up po yan. So, idea lang. And kung mapapansin natin dito, may sliding door siya. Oh, sliding door. So, yun. Sliding door para punta ka sa walk-in closet. So, ito yung idea rin ng washing machine. And then, yung walk-in closet. So, ganda. Lusan. Napaka-minimalist design. Okay. So, yun. Ganito ang itsura ng combined units. Thank you.